Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's a pleasure to welcome to our video presentation. We are from Group 8, courses English for International Relation. I am here gonna introduce our group member real quick. Hello, my name is Fiani Anissa Rahmi as moderator, and then our group member are Muhammad Taufik Akbar, Nabila Rihadatul Aisi, Nabila Sylvia Nazar, and last but not least, Ari Wahyu Nugraha. By the end of the presentation, you will know about globalization and its history, the Korean wave and its history, how globalization affects the Korean wave, the influence of the Korean wave and social life and also society, and the last point are about Korean wave cultural policy. So yeah, let's move on.
Globalization is a relatively new term used to describe a very old process that began with our human ancestors moving out of Africa to spread all over the globe. In the millennia that followed, others forged new routes for migration or followed, propelled by the desire to improve life for oneself or community. Distance has been largely overcome with barriers reduced to facilitate the exchange of goods and ideas. Helped along by technology, our interconnectedness and interdependence have grown. History of globalization. Historians have taken different threshold levels for defining the emergence of globalization. The emergence of world economy is one of the thresholds for globalization. According to Hobson 2004, although economic globalization started emerging from 3500 BC, but a huge expansion of global connection and trade occurred during post-600 period, which is its term as Oriental globalization encouraged.
Now we move on to Korean wave and its history. The Korean wave or Hallyu refers to South Korea's cultural economy exporting pop culture, entertainment, music, TV dramas, and movies to the rest of the world. Hallyu is a Chinese term that literally translates to Korean wave. Korean culture began to spread in Southeast Asian countries in 90s as a result of the digital media and social media expansion of the Korean media. With several key dramas, music band, and art form emerging, Hot was the first K-pop band to perform outside
How
of the
globalization
Korean
affect
media.
Korean wave? The growth of globalization not only changed human life but also culture. The media is the main weapon on the spread of culture in the era of globalization. Same like Westernization, Korean wave spreading to popular culture such as films, TV dramas, pop music, fashion, even language, foods, and technology. For example, like Twitter and Facebook, it enabled fans of Korean to participate in creating fan content about their favorite idol, such as fan fictions, comics, and dance covers. Sometimes they do donation and exhibition among the fandom about the group. According from cross-national study of Korean wave, some Indonesian fans have been motivated to live passionately because of listening to K-pop artists. Indonesians are more emotionally involved with K-pop artists and their affection beyond than listening to songs. Indonesians also watch Korean variety shows such as Running Man, Let's Eat Dinner Together, and etc. In this globalization era, every entertainment programs can be easily watched by everyone. Even albums and concerts can be enjoyed in online platform. People don't have to buy ticket physically, also buying things online is cheaper. This is one of the reasons why Korean wave increased into the years. Globalization play a huge part to make Korean culture more known by people in the world.
Okay, next, the influence of the Korean wave on social life and society. The first, dependence attitude arise toward an exaggerated self-image. The influence of the Korean drama show that attracted of the attention of the public, especially teenagers, caused imitation. This is evidenced by the extension of the lifestyle and collection things of the smell of the K-pop as well in the imitation of the physical appearance of the image of this life. And the second, conformity. Conformity is certain behavior that is carried out due to the influence of the another person or group to carry out the same behavior and action. So the individual does like either likes it or doesn't like what he is doing is going on. Conformity is not only in behavior and action that are influenced by other people, but the individual also acts and thinks differently from what he does if he alone. On the third, wasting time and money on the pointless things. Sometimes teenagers nowadays sometimes forget about the time that has been wasted because they are compliments about the desire to see their idol, which caused them to forget to study, forget to take a break because of watching Korean dramas, and waste money because they buy useful things, and sometimes tend to buy extensive internet quota just to stalk his idol. The tips can be done the intermediate parents to limit to control the children if they are too financial about their idol by diverting, perhaps taking the child while on vacation, holding family time, and bringing.
Now, I want to tell you about Korean culture policy. The importance of value of culture has recognized by the Republic of Korea's government ever since its first president. The recognition of the importance of cultural values is interpreted on each administration cultural policy, as well as on their culture in diplomacy practice. The Myung-bak era was the turning point of Korean culture policy. In this era, Korea was carrying on the slogan "Creation of the New Korea" and started to assert culture diplomacy, the gravity of the people, regional culture, culture industry, and culture tourism, unification and the globalization of Korea culture. Korean government started to explore its culture industry, in which Korean government, however, basically understand culture industry as culture with an industry foundation. In practice of the achieving the objective and doing the tasks, Korean government has set up diverse programs to boost the cultural diplomacy. For example, Korea actively involved as well as give contribution towards international community, like engage in the activity of the major international organization related with culture.
There we go, guys. That's all for our presentation. Me as moderator would like to emphasizing the main points. So, the globalization has altered not only human life but also culture. In the age of globalization, the media is the most powerful tool for spreading culture. The Korean wave, like westernization, is spreading through popular cultures such as movies, TV dramas, pop music, fashion, and even language, food, and technology. Well, we've covered the point that we needed to present today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.